Welcome to my C++ course, and this is the second lesson that will be about variables and basic types of variables. In C++ we have several basic types of variables like integer, floating point number, boolean, short, char, and etc. If we want to declare some variable, we need for the first to write type of this variable. For example, if we want to declare integer type number, we need to type int keyword, and then we need to choose identifier of our variable. I just write variable. Not so unique, but simple. Then we need to type this symbol, and now we can initialize our variable with some value. For example, 10. And now we need to complete our statement with a semicolon. Now we can remember first lesson, and with this command stdcout print value of our variable. Now we can compile program and run it. And now we see that output show us that value of our variable actually 10. This is correct. Like I said before, we have another types of variables like char that contain special characters. We can initialize this variable with a symbol like a or another one. And now we can write this string and check a value of our variable. Now recompile our program and run it once again. And now we see that value of ch variable contain a character. In C++ we have a special type of variables called boolean. We need to write keyword bool, and then, like as always, choose identifier for our variable, for example flag, because boolean variables very often used in cases when they are acting like a flags, boolean flags. But don't mind if you don't understand some things. Don't worry, I will teach you about boolean flags in future lessons. For now we need to understand that boolean variables can be assigned only two values, true or false. That means that our boolean variable are now initialized with true value. But if we try to print it, we see maybe a little bit strange thing. Recompile our program, run it, and see that value of flag 1. This is because true is equal to 1 value and false equal to 0 value, like we see in output in terminal after recompile and run program once again. And of course we need sometimes floating point numbers, and we can declare this type of variables writing keyword float and choose identifier for this variable. And now we can initialize it with floating point number like 10.5. Now we can check a value of our variable fl, recompile our program once again, and now we see that fl actually have a value of 10.5. That is correct. This is all you need to know about basic types and variables, how you can declare it. You can check another basic types, but these 4 types is common types that you need in almost every program. I think this is very basic stuff. In next lesson I will continue to teach you about variables, and we will try to do some math operations with them. Okay, see you later.